honored to present a brief report on the achievements of Darshan Academy, Delhi in the All India Senior School Certificate Examination conducted by CBSE for session 2016-17. With the grace and blessings of our living Master, His Holiness Sant Rajinder Singh Ji Maharaj, the students of our school have come up with flying colors. The school has maintained the record of attaining 100% result, with all of them scoring first division. आज कोई भी ऐसा क्षेत्र नहीं है जहां दर्शन एकेडमी ने अपना अस्तित्व कायम ना किया हो। जो छात्र शिक्षा, खेल और अन्य गतिविधियों में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करते हैं, दर्शन एजुकेशन फाउंडेशन उन्हें हर वर्ष स्कॉलरशिप प्रदान करता है। संत कृपाल सिंह जी महाराज स्कॉलरशिप फॉर एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस, संत दर्शन सिंह जी महाराज स्कॉलरशिप फॉर ऑल राउंड एक्सीलेंस इन एकेडमिक्स, स्पोर्ट्स एंड को-करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज, संत राजेंद्र सिंह जी महाराज स्कॉलरशिप फॉर एक्सीलेंस इन CBSE grade 10th and 12th examination and for excellence in sports. जिन छात्रों ने CBSE के 12वीं के परिणामों में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन किया है, उन्हें महाराज जी की कृपा से विशेष प्रोत्साहन स्कॉलरशिप प्रदान की जा रही है, जिसके लिए छात्रों को आज यहाँ एकत्रित किया गया है। With the permission of His Holiness, we begin the most awaited ceremony, that is Scholarship Award Ceremony.
We are very proud of all of you. We pray that you all do well in life. We hope and pray that good things are coming to you. You're successful in getting into good colleges and into the professions that you would like to get into. And with God's grace, the foundation and that we in Darshan Academy have been able to lay for you is going to help you in all aspects of life. So it's a joy to be here with you. We want to appreciate all of your efforts. We know that to get high marks are not easy. You put in tremendous effort to get to where you are. And what is very important in life is to put in the effort. And as you get into colleges, make sure that you do put in effort so that not only do you learn the subjects, but that you learn them peacefully, calmly, and wherever you are. Make sure you do spend a little time in meditation daily so that your understanding is clear, you know what is truly, truly important. So we're very, very happy to be here with you. We wish you all the very best, and may the grace of the great masters overhead be with you so that you all have wonderful, wonderful careers in front of you. So we're very glad to be with you.
Thank you so much, Maharaj Ji. We begin with the subject toppers. First in the line is Shreya Mehta, who topped in physical education with 99% and English with 95% marks. Chirag Chatwal, who topped in economics with 99% marks. We have Jaideep Singh Barar, highest scorer in chemistry with 97% marks. Divyansh Sethi, among the highest scorers in mathematics. Following him is Jhanvi Goswami, the highest scorer in biology with 94% marks. Here is a list of toppers in English with 95% marks. First is Aditya Balian, Kriti Bhareja, Mandeep Kaur, Muskan Sachdeva. And now it's turn for the stream toppers to be blessed. In the science stream, Rishabh Grover stood third with 92.85%. He has also secured highest marks in mathematics and physics. Second position in science stream is shared among Tushar Chopra and Akshay Goyal with 93%. Tushar Chopra has topped in informatic practices with 98% marks, and physics and mathematics with 95%. Akshay Goyal has secured highest marks in English as well. The topper of science stream is Pashmeen Kaur with 94.4%. She has also achieved 95%, which is highest marks in physics and mathematics. We have one more subject topper in English, that is Shivanshu Chauhan with 95% marks. In commerce stream, girls have bagged all the first three positions. On third place is Ananya Grover with 92%. She has also topped informatic practices with 98% marks. Second position is bagged by Ashna Malhotra with 94.4%. She has secured highest marks in accountancy, that is 96%. The school topper, Ashna Juneja with 95.4%. She has also topped in business studies with 97%.